So guys, this is sector 18. Let me show you from the inside. So if in case you're planning to buy any residential plot on Yamuna Expressway, you can call us at 844-766-3429 and we will assist you with from the scratch. And this is sector 18. इसके बाद सेक्टर 19 है जहाँ पे गौर यमुना सिटी के पास, गौर के पास 250 एकड़ है। वहाँ पे भी इस टाइम पे रेट जो चल रहा है, करंट रेट 1.25, रीसेल में 1 लाख रुपए के आसपास चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं। यहाँ पे अथॉरिटी के जो सेक्टर 18 है जहाँ पे भी मैं घूम रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे आपको 70-75 रुपीज़ पर मीटर के हिसाब से यहाँ पे प्लॉट मिल जाते हैं। Virtual tour and there's a link in the bio. You can contact me on WhatsApp as well, or you can call me so that we can assist you with each and everything. If in case you're planning to buy a plot, if in case you're planning to buy a residential apartment or commercial properties, we are here to help you. देख रहे हो सारी मार्किंग्स हुई हुई हैं। 232, 231, वो रही आपकी गौर यमुना सिटी। दैट्स गौर।
Imagine standing at the brink of dawn, the first rays of sunlight piercing through the darkness, bringing warmth and light to the world. It's a moment of transformation from night to day, symbolizing endless possibilities and the birth of a new beginning. This very phenomenon mirrors the journey of personal growth and the impact of the practices we adopt daily. Now, think about what if each day could be approached with the same freshness, the same potential for growth and enlightenment. The foundation of our lives, the very essence of our being, is not shaped by the grand gestures we make occasionally, but by the small, consistent actions we take every day. It's in these seemingly insignificant routines and habits where the true magic of transformation lies. Just as the sun rises without fail, bringing light to the world, your daily practices have the power to illuminate your life, guiding you towards a path of growth, success, and fulfillment. Now, let me ask you, have you ever considered the profound impact of gratitude on your life? Or the undeniable power that lies in setting clear, actionables each morning? How about the insatiable thirst for knowledge and self-improvement? These are not merely tasks to be checked off a list, but are the pillars upon which a life of purpose and achievement is built. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to lose sight of these practices, to let them slip through the cracks of our busy schedules. Yet it is precisely in the commitment to these daily acts where the secret to extraordinary lives is hidden. Every great journey begins with a single step, and every remarkable life is built on the foundation of everyday actions. So I invite you to embark on this journey with me, a journey of self-discovery, growth, and empowerment. Together, we will explore the three essential practices that, when embraced daily, can transform your life in ways you never imagined. This is not just about achieving success in the conventional sense, but about crafting a life filled with passion, purpose, and joy. As we delve into these practices, remember, it's not the magnitude of our actions, but the consistency and intent behind them that count. Like the painter who brings a masterpiece to life with each stroke of their brush, your daily practices are the strokes that will paint the canvas of your life. And so, as the dawn breaks on a new day, let us seize and today, we take that step together. As the dawn ushers in a new day, each ray of sunlight casting a golden hue upon the earth, it brings with it a whisper of untold possibilities.
So guys, this is Gaur Yamuna City.
Flame of personal development within us, a flame that transforms, empowers, and leads.
These are studios, and we have shops on the ground floor as well. Though everything is sold out, bro. But yeah, कुछ ना कुछ तो दिलवा ही देंगे. So this is Gaur, huh? Gaur Yamuna City, 250 acres. Lots starting from 78 square yard, and the current rate is somewhere around 1.25. However, we are getting some deals at 1 lakh rupees as well. And we have already shown you Green Bay from inside, right? If you haven't seen it, just check my YouTube, and you'll find Green Bay live tour as well. And that is trading somewhere around 94 odd thousand per square yard, and we might give you some inventories over there at 85,000 rupees per square yard, that too all inclusive. And yeah, once will come, once will set, for sure there will be some negotiations. And इससे बढ़िया टाउनशिप है यार वो, मतलब गोल्फ कोर्स है. आप देखना वीडियो, बाकी कभी आइए, आपको घुमाते हैं. ये रेडी टू मूव स्टूडियोज़ हैं. इसके अंदर की वीडियो भी डाली हुई है मैंने, हाउ इट विल कम अप. लाइक अगर आप सर्च करेंगे स्टूडियोज नियर जेवर, मतलब मेरी आईडी में रियल्टर सानी के पेज पे ही यूट्यूब के, तो आपको स्टूडियो के अंदर की वीडियो भी मिल जाएगी. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, बहुत अच्छे बने हुए हैं. मर्ज करके 2 कमरे तो और भी बढ़िया लगते हैं. उसकी भी वीडियो डली हुई, एक बार आप देखना ज़रूर. हाँ, so if you need studio, we can कोलंबस के भी स्टूडियो आए हुए हैं 22 में ही 50, 51, 52 लाख रुपए के प्री लॉन्च में हैं। कहता कौन है, यमुना में कोई रहता नहीं है। स्कूल इज़ ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल, गौर का राइट हैंड साइड पे गौर इंटरनेशनल स्कूल है। एंड देन ये रहे अपार्टमेंट्स हाई राइज। यहाँ पे भी अभी 80 लाख रुपए तो डिमांड कर ही रहे हैं 2 बेडरूम के कंपनी वाले। बाकी पूरे टूर के लिए आप मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं 8447663429। मैं भी लेट ही हो रहा हूँ अब। मैं आपको बाहर से और दिखाता हूँ थोड़ा सा आगे ले जाके। आई हैव फ्यू मिनट्स लेफ्ट।
खुद ही काम करूंगा और तभी खुद कमाऊं।
Today, we're going to go through as many of your lessons.
Now imagine your life as a grand adventure, a quest for wisdom, skills, and understanding. Each day offers a new chapter, a fresh start to learn something new, to stretch beyond the comfortable and familiar. This relentless pursuit of knowledge and self-improvement is the cornerstone of personal development. It is what transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary, the mundane into the magical. But let us not forget, the path of personal development is not without its hurdles. There will be moments of doubt, of fear, and of failure. Yet it is precisely these moments that offer the richest lessons, the opportunities for profound...
And yes, if in case you are planning to do some construction work as well, or maybe some interior work, even you can contact us on the same number. That is 8447663429, and we will help you out with construction and with the interior work as well. And if in case you have any studios anywhere, like not anywhere but at a good location, we can help you out setting up Airbnb as well. And just call us, WhatsApp us at 8447663429 so that we can help you out.
Truly lies. The books we read, the thoughts we nurture, the company we keep, all are threads in the fabric of our becoming. Cultivate habits that uplift, that challenge, that inspire. Let your daily practices be a testament to your commitment to growth and excellence. As we journey through this landscape of personal development, let us carry with us an attitude of gratitude and openness. For every person we meet, every experience we encounter is a teacher, a guide on this path of growth. Remain open to the lessons life offers, for wisdom often comes in the most unexpected forms. Now, as we stand on the threshold of possibility, let us make a pledge to ourselves. Let us commit to the pursuit of personal development, not just as an occasional endeavor, but as a way of life. Let us embrace each day as an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become the architects of our destiny. In the spirit of relentless pursuit and boundless potential, let us move forward, armed with the tools of knowledge, the shield of resilience, and the sword of determination. For in the quest of personal development, there are no limits to what we can achieve, no boundaries to what we can become. And so, as we continue on this journey, let us do so with the knowledge that each step we take in personal development is a step towards realizing our fullest potential. A step towards becoming not just a success in the eyes of the world, but a success in the truest sense, in living a life of purpose, meaning, and joy. The first...
A smart... Aryabhata, guess what? The 5G...
The first practice is a deep-seated belief in oneself. Have you ever considered the power of a seed? Within it lies the potential to grow into a magnificent tree with branches stretching towards the heavens. Similarly, within you lies potential. A force so mighty, that once unleashed, it can propel you to achieve the extraordinary. But how does one tap into this reservoir of untapped potential? It begins with belief, a steadfast conviction in your abilities, in your worth, and in the inevitability of your success. This belief isn't just a whisper.
अब जो राइट हैंड साइड पे आपको अपार्टमेंट्स दिखने स्टार्ट हुए हैं, दैट इज 22D. वहाँ पे Oasis Grandstand है, दैट्स अ रेडी टू मूव प्रॉपर्टी. इवन वी हैव ATS Allure, दैट्स अ रेडी टू मूव प्रॉपर्टी, ट्रेडिंग समवेयर अराउंड 8,000 to 8,500 rupees per square feet. And Oasis Grandstand is also there. And yes, you can call me for those 2 apartment as well. And ATS Allure के बराबर में अभी Ace Terra ने भी लैंड खरीदी है. So I'm sure you know that's the hottest pick at the moment. Like if you literally invest in Ace Terra right now, the pre-launch price is 7,995, and if you invest within 12 days, your rate will be somewhere around 995, like on the allotment. So 2,000 रुपये का सीधा प्रॉफिट है. And then slowly and gradually, once after 2 years, 3 years, I'm sure it will get doubled for sure. See, they have taken a corner plot. And this is the last residential sector. After this, institutional land is there, जहाँ पे यूनिवर्सिटीज़ वगैरह बन रही हैं. देन आपका ग्रीन पैच है. फिर आपका सीधा एशिया का सबसे बड़ा एयरपोर्ट आता है, नोएडा इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. देन हाँ, सेक्टर मैंने आपको 18 दिखाया, सेक्टर 19 में गौर यमुना सिटी में थोड़ा सा दिखाया. देन सेक्टर 20-21 में आपकी फिल्म सिटी प्रपोज्ड है, जिसे बॉनी कपूर, बेव्यू, भूटानी मिलकर बना रहे हैं. तो वो भी 1000 एकड़ में. ओलंपिक पार्क आ रहा है यहाँ पे. तो कुछ भी अगर अभी आप यहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, इधर प्लॉट, लैंड, व्हाटएवर, विल अप्रिशिएट लाइक एनीथिंग. सो थैंक यू, बाय बाय. सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.